Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by saving work and closing apps so the system can reboot cleanly. Once done, identify your device and the specific boot key or gesture. This varies by manufacturer. Make sure power is connected and battery above 10% so boot procedures won't interrupt. Press and hold the indicated key or use the Restart with Key method now. You are forcing the machine into the pre-boot menu where safe mode options appear. This first action creates the environment safe mode, needs to load only essentials. Once the boot menu appears, navigate to the recovery or advanced options. The exact labels differ, but the goal is the same. Select the safe mode variant you need, with networking if you require internet, or with command prompt for repair commands, because each enables different tools. Press Enter and let the system load only essential drivers. You'll see a pared down desktop. Make sure to note any error messages on screen. They often indicate why normal boot failed and guide your next steps. You're now in safe mode. Run targeted fixes such as uninstalling recent drivers, scanning for malware, or restoring to a recent system point. Once done, reboot to normal mode to verify the problem is resolved. Make sure to test the specific functionality that failed. If the issue persists, return to safe mode and try deeper repairs or use recovery media. One key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot access safe mode, create a bootable USB recovery drive on another computer and boot from it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.